Our thoughts are electric and our emotions are magnetic, which is what creates that electromagnetic field around your body. This is what's going to magnetize things to you. So if it's negative, you're going to magnetize negative things to you. And if it's positive, guess what? You're going to attract positive things into your life. Now, if you are currently in a negative space mentally and emotionally, that's what is going to be projecting from your body. If you're trying to hop timelines, shift timelines, and become the version of you that already has everything that you desire, your question needs to be, how is that version of me thinking? How is that version of me feeling? Let me draw you a graph. Okay, so if this is current you, and this is your electromagnetic field made up of your thoughts and emotions, but you're trying to get over here to future you, your question needs to be, how does this version of you think on a regular basis? How does this version feel? But first, you have to get really clear on where you are now. What are you currently feeling? Maybe it's, lack. Maybe it's, So maybe it's lack, maybe it's self-doubt, maybe you have guilt, maybe you have money stress. So if that's what's circulating in your mind and your emotions on a regular basis, we have to figure out and tap into this version of you. How is this version of you feeling? And, what frequency is this version of you emitting? So if this version of you has everything that you desire, you're probably carefree, excited, and feeling abundant. So how can you tap into this version of you whenever you feel drawn to it? So for an example, if I wanted to tap into that version of me, I'm going to do this during a meditative state. I'm going to visualize everything that I desire and ask myself how I would feel if I already had those things. That's going to get in my thoughts and my emotions to immediately drop in to that feeling in my body, which is going to allow me to emit that frequency of my future self, which is what draws things to you. So the more that you can tap into that electromagnetic field, the more you're going to be able to attract those things into your life.